distance. Oh, well that's nice. Take the 37 and 36 will.
There's a jawbone over there.
I really do. Oh, look at that though, dude. Look at those little plants growing in there. God, that's neat. They look like trumpets.
Yeah.
You see that?
I wonder if that's a pine.
Mike, right under there. Look at that. They look like little trumpets coming out of it.
Oh yeah. Light green.
Matter of fact, look at the woodpeckers that worked that tree over. Look at the holes in it.
Right here, underneath. Just don't fall.
Thank you. We'll try now.
Oh yeah. There he is.
Yeah. Oh, look at him. Don't fall in.
Guys, I've never been shot by a bunch of geyser geysers before.
Look up. Which end is forward anyway?
Can't tell.
That looks sort of like a tail there.
Don't log on to them.
It'd be very upset, I'm
It'll be
sure.
a pointed experience.
I think
right here.
Right under me.
I think I see a tail.
No, 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 no.
Please.
I mean, does it have a front and back?
We don't
I
know.
think it looks like a tail over
Yeah,
here.
Sort of like a tail.
Where's its face?
Over there.
Buried. I don't blame it.
We're not seeing him.
Uh-oh. It's beginning to move.
Oh dear.
These things can run 50 miles an hour, you know.
Straight up.
Thanks.
When you grab them, Udo, grab them from the back end.
He doesn't look too happy, guys,
No.
personally.
A little bit
He does feel
surprised.
just a little threatened, being totally surrounded.
You know, hey.
Let's see, how can we get past him here? What's the best way to do this?
Run.
Get a picture anyway.
Not the most advantageous angle.
Fernie.
So like what? And then it goes boil the fire in the so they boil at the same time. The straight column of steam is in pronounced view as one drives northward through the Lower Geyser Basin. That must have been neat to see. This intermittent spring comes nearest to a geyser of anything in the vicinity. In 1972, Marler writes, Snort is an interesting hot spring with geyser status. When interruption, the water in the form of
Ah, look at that. Oh,
Except now, what happened here that broke the center out?
I don't know. Trees have fallen in.
bad. That's a good answer.
Bad.
Something bad happened.
Kind of screwed up the coloration though.
Gosh. Whew. It's awesome. The lighting is just right.
Way down here. It looks like there's rats floating. Look at that. The convection fan. Right there. Beautiful.
This is a remarkable pool over 20 feet in diameter.
Yeah, infrared systems have.
around. Looks like a brain. Okay. The gray one right here, isn't this a little brain? Yeah.
Oh, I know where the orientation of it is.
Yeah.
I don't agree.
About 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I can see where it is, but you have to take it out to.
Oh yeah. Well, can you do this?
I'd say 200.
Yeah, it was definitely past 190.
Yeah, it was in that range there.
Without having to put up with the problems of nightfall. True.
They made it. I think they
Yeah, tons of.
Okay. I see one of you. I don't really see anybody in the bottom. So.
Climb off.
I can watch them guys.
Yeah, radio transmitted. No problem.
You're up high enough for me. Flounder's right back over there.
Right. Yeah, you probably could get through.
What is that? Yesterday we'd be like, wow!
Yeah. Yes.
See, I would not be up
We'd
here.
even blown up the slope and then just blown off the slope up here.
Yesterday there were trees planted in this thing. They're gone now.
That's right.
Does somebody have a pair of binoculars on them?
Down in my
Okay.
pack.
Which he left at the bottom.
Wisely look.
Is that the blue thing way over there?
In the cracks. Up until yesterday.
What are you doing, Christopher?
This one up until yesterday was 90 feet tall.
Look, Snort.
What is this bush? It's got little grayish green berries.
Here's where we had our lunch. There's Tree Spring, Lambrequin Spring,
The unnamed spring.
the honest and the
The
pump
unnamed
spring.
pit.
That other one's actually prettier than Lambrequin. In fact, I guess they said that in there, that it was it was a pretty pool and yet never picked up a name.
Kaleidoscopes are open. The last of the series. We're probably having a series of people walking up the hill.
Oh, that's what we're seeing out there to the right of Firehose?
Yeah, the farthest thing to the right is Kaleidoscope. That's the last eruption of the series goes like 10 feet.
Uh-huh.
Were you the ones who were out there with?
About a third of it. See, that bird's the only animal I ever
Notice there's no rodents around here anywhere?
Well, I said other than birds. No marmots. I've seen plenty of other birds. I haven't seen any other varmints or anything.
Oh, down here? No, we cut across here. We didn't go back that way.
Looks like there's another pond back there.
There's a couple of them. Like over there.
Oh, no, it isn't.
There's over there where the mud pots were.
We didn't go up to that, near that ridge, huh?
No, see we're over there? That's where the mud pots were. We came across there.
Yeah.
And so there are a couple of other little features right up there. Tucked,
Looks like
We're slowly going insane.
It can devour
And everyone else? No, Uncle Heine syndrome. That way.
that black fuzzy thing up there running a Janine. You made it!
Now where's Janine?
She's up there.
You're just taking a picture of something earlier.
Fun guy.
On the hat brim. It stopped attacking my face.
You need to get your hands there.
Actually,
It goes up 3-6 feet. But look at all the silt lining the inside of the basin too. If it was active, you wouldn't have that there.
yeah.
So did you
Unless it
bring
was
your
just rising and
cars?
falling, it wouldn't move the silt very much.
Well, they come up with 80 features in this group,
Oh, is that all?
including one spring that has
The edges, you see the
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R vents.
yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't gone in a while though, because look at the sticks sitting in the sediment on the bottom. This thing would be
Might be a little big for that.
Just a little.
Well, I don't know how powerfully this erupts, okay?
3 to 6 feet.
3 to 6 feet and
Yeah.
a lot of runoff or no?
Imagine if iron pot hit overflow, that's what this looks like.
Oh, okay.
Does that help you any?
I'd like to see iron pot again on this trip.
Iron Pot sounds really neat. That's over by,
Now the polarizer, with the polarizer on it, I got it a minute ago and turn it one way and you can't see Mike's shadow and then you turn it the other way and then so it changes
like, oh,
how
it'll be hotter.
deep you can see
Let me
into
see
the
that.
pool and how
Probably-
much reflection.
Probably
there
hotter
is.
over there, right?
yeah, the lack of everything growing around it.
Yeah, 35, 135. He's got a monster lens on.
We could put it on a post, Mike. So, if you want.
Where's your post?
It's right here.
They're about, yay big around. Where they put the TNT to blow these. Blow it to pieces. I get it. I want his tack.
This rock's got a neat split in it. The one that you get your hand on?
Oh yeah. Kinda. I mean, you get the feeling that what this is here looked kind of like this before.
Yeah, right.
It looked like this. Got any TNT? We'll finish the job.
Well, what you want to do now is use the TNT to put it all back up on the hillside.
It'll take it full.
So they're incredible.
Started.
Because the time is right.
Big crap. Seed wants to grow there. What?
It's really neat. Geyser.
Yeah. But the key is named, officially named.
Yeah, well, it's because they never.
Oh, gee.
Why right there? I bet they cleared up there and dumped
From
it.
the very top, yeah.
Is on the very top also mine?
Well, that's where the road bends is right there.
Something coming down from over there.
There was this is Geyserwood.
Oh. Is it reality guard that makes the stones this red?
Well,
Like this one.
No way.
What makes the red color?
iron.
Iron.
Eruption's over.
It's very frequent. That's what it's done its whole history. One blur?
So you're sure this stops, Mike?
Yeah.
There's another little pool up on the right there, right next to this one. See right there? Come on.
There's one there, there's one up there, there's another one behind you over there.
Yellow.